Welcome to our channel. If Google Maps isn't showing your saved places, don't worry. Here's how you can quickly fix it and access your saved locations again. 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection may cause issues with loading saved places. Step 1. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Step 2. If the connection is weak, try switching to a different network and check if the issue resolves. 2. Update Google Maps. An outdated version of Google Maps might be causing the problem. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Step 2. Search for Google Maps and check if an update is available. Step 3. Install the update and check if saved places appear. 3. Clear cache and data, Android. Clearing the app's cache and data can help resolve issues with saved places. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Maps. Step 2. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 3. Open Google Maps again and check if your saved places are visible. 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out and back into your Google account can fix syncing issues. Step 1. Open Google Maps and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Sign Out. Step 3. Sign back in with the same Google account and check if your saved places appear. 5. Check sync settings. Ensure Google Maps is syncing correctly with your Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google on your device. Step 2. Ensure Google Maps syncing is enabled. Step 3. Go back to Google Maps and check if saved places show up. 6. Ensure correct Google account is selected. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your saved places are stored. Step 1. Tap your profile icon in Google Maps. Step 2. Check if the correct Google account is selected. Step 3. If needed, switch to the account with your saved places. 7. Disable battery saver or power saving mode. Battery saver modes can sometimes affect how apps like Google Maps function. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn off battery saver or power saving mode. Step 2. Open Google Maps again and check if saved places show up. 8. Reinstall Google Maps. If the issue persists, reinstalling Google Maps may resolve the problem. Step 1. Uninstall Google Maps from your device. Step 2. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and reinstall the app. Step 3. Log in and check if your saved places appear. 9. Check Google Maps server status. Occasionally, the problem might be on Google's end. Step 1. Visit the Google Maps Help Center or Google's status dashboard. Step 2. Check if there are any ongoing issues with Google Maps. Step 3. If there's an issue, you may need to wait until it's resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get your saved places back on Google Maps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.